So for biology, basically we had planned two different activities. One was in collaboration with chemistry and one with environmental systems and societies. The first one was to look at the water quality of basically River Jhelum, and as it goes from the dam downstream. We could not test the water upstream because we did not go that far up, but what we did was we took samples from the dam itself and then 2 points downstream from the dam. So we wanted to see, and the students read an article, a scientific study that was done on water testing in India for chemistry. So we read that article and discussed that, and we saw that how it basically how what we observed. So we took the samples, we tested it for pH, for particles, and we observed it under the microscope to see how the quality was changing. And this is something that they were then able to relate with the article that they read, that how the quality of water is different in the dam than it is in the river. And they discussed that how when the water flows downstream, because that water is used for irrigation, so how the water quality can actually affect the agriculture, the farmland, because of difference in pH and what kind of crops they are growing. So that was one activity. The next one was in collaboration with environmental systems, was basically ecology. They were going to look at the growth and succession of different organisms, plants as well as animals, and distribution of different species in wild. So the idea was to use transects and quadrates and to see that how when you, especially in wild areas, as you go away from the water, from the shore, how different types of plants, how far, maybe in after 1 meter, 10 meters, how it changes as you go. And then you can also see in wild that how species are related to each other, how they, some of them may be found.
I think the highlight of this trip was the horse statue.